Welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial introducing you to the search functionality within the past meeting section of MeetingBooster. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to keyword search for past meeting minutes, identify key topics for review, and then how to turn that into a consolidated PDF document. All of your past meeting minutes are located within the past meeting section of the MeetingBooster web interface. Here you have visibility of the meetings that you've attended, as well as the meetings that you've been permitted to access. Now, reviewing meeting information can be a long and difficult process. Imagine, for instance, you're a project manager and you're running 3 different projects. In the past 2 weeks alone, those 3 projects have been discussed over 10 different meetings. Now you can start to understand how it would be difficult to identify the relevant information relating to those 3 different projects across the thread of each of those meetings. The functionality in MeetingBooster allows us to very simply keyword search across all of our past meeting minutes and to extract that information into a chronological PDF file. So in this example, let's research information based on the pitch that we've got coming up. So I've just keyword searched pitch. Here, MeetingBooster has searched across all of my past meeting minutes to identify any agenda items and tasks, discussions, as well as decisions that relate to this keyword search. I can see clearly identified which meetings it's come from, as well as the date and number of hits of that particular search. Now let's say, for instance, that I want to extract these items and review them. I select each individual item and head to Export Selection. MeetingBooster will now consolidate this information and present it on a PDF file. And as you can see, it's formatted the information so it looks very clear, professional, and has placed it in chronological order, which really helps us to identify the thread of the information relating to this particular search.